you have allergies.
Between that cough and that sneeze, what are you No, where's for one? Uh-oh.
Downward dog. Doing yoga?